Alright, Chevy's changing his mind, so it's my turn. Oh, it is flowing. Well, tow truck made it through. Here we go. Might be my last will and testament right here. Oh my God, the Toyota guy's coming through behind me.
Be close to you?
He's in my wake, yeah.
Yeah, he'll make it.
Yeah, he's doing fine. His bumper ain't even wet in my wake.
Yep. Best way to go through water. If you get somebody in front of you, breaking it out.
Oh, round two. Oh, jeez. This one ain't flowing. He knows what he's doing. He's sitting right behind me. All the cars that were waiting in line are like, yeah, no thanks. all but the pizza guy. He's going. Oh my word. Hey, weren't kidding about rain. Holy smoke.